Securing your YouTube brand by locking down your unique channel handle. Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. Today we will look at protecting our YouTube brand because our YouTube soul is non-negotiable. We all have been there, staring at a finished edit, feeling that rush of I actually made this. It's an I feeling. But here's the cold truth. If you haven't locked down your YouTube brand, you're basically a guest in your own house. You're pouring out your life into a platform that could be snatched away in an heartbeat if you don't take ownership now. The real pro. The pro of protecting your brand isn't just a check mark in your settings. It's freedom. It's the ability to scale your YouTube business, doing, bringing on a team you trust and know that no matter what happened, you owned the keys. It's the quiet confidence that your identity is legally yours and yours alone. The brutal cons. The con of doing nothing is just devastation. It's waking up to find your YouTube handle has been hacked or trademarked by someone who doesn't care about your community. It's the gut punch of seeing your fans get scammed by an imposter because you didn't build a fence around your brand. You aren't just losing data, you are losing your reputation. To secure your YouTube brand by locking down your unique handle professionally customizing your channel visibility, visual identity, and upgrading to a brand account for ownership and scaling. If you don't protect your brand effectively and ensure your unique handle matches your social handles and register your trademark early, consistently using the customized tool we have discussed in previous video, like a distinct logo and banner, or builds the visual authority need to deter imposter. You are putting your channel, your brand at risk for scammers and imposters. You are you are a creator. You are a builder. Don't let a lack of paperwork or a simple security settings in the end of your be the end of your YouTube dream. Protect your brand like your life depends on it because your legacy certainly does. Let's get it locked down. Thank you all for listening to another YouTube tutorial. As I always say, speak blessings over your lives. And remember, no matter what your journey in this life is, it is blessed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And let The conversation continues in the chat. Bye, guys.